Welcome to How To Doer. I'm Gogi from How To Doer, and today we're gonna talk about that how we can easily convert any internal hard disk or SSD that is from SATA can be converted to the external hard disk or SSD. Yes, you are listening very right. It can be done and it's very easy. But first of all, I'm requesting you please like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now, I want to give a disclaimer that this video is not sponsored by any company. I just loved this external case that you need for make your internal SSD in or hard disk into external, that requires this 2.5 inches hard disk external case. If you want to buy or purchase, this link is given in the description below, and if you want to read, you can pause the video and read about the details. Let's get into it, what you get along with this and what the requirements. That is this one, as you can check out. This is the main cable that you get with this, and this is the micro USB, and this one is a USB and micro USB, a little cable. So along that you get this retro filling tape recorder cassette style SATA external internal hard disk enclosure, or we call it external case. What do you have to do? You have to slide it like this, and what you get? You get a port over here for SATA hard disks. You have to insert your hard disk over here, or SSD you have it a SATA one. Then you have to close this enclosure. There is nothing requirement extra for this, and insert this cable and start using or enjoying a internal hard disk or SSD into like a external SSD or hard disk. So that's for the video, and if you want to buy, purchase, link is given in the description below. And that's for the video, that's for the process, that's for the tutorial. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do.